Using sklearn internal function. I'm using the scikitlearn library for my daily Enva business. One of the functions I use is the rock_curve method to get my rock curves. The function returns the false positive and true positive rates. In my field, HEP, we prefer working with efficiencies, i.e. I want to normalize the number of true positives to the total number of positives. To get what I need, I want to reuse the _binary_clf_curve function in sklearn.metric.rankings, i.e. And to load it into the local namespace I call from sklearn.metrics.rankings import _binary_clf_curve. Doing so gives me the following error. I think the issue here is the distinction between module and file. The _binary_clf_curve helper function is not added to the module, because it need not be exposed to the user, so I need to load it not from the module, but from the file.
Perhaps the solution is as easy as fixing a typo. Try. With ranking and not rankings. That worked for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.